Example number 2. To the nearest degree, which values of theta satisfy the equation tan theta equals -4/3 for 0 theta that's between 0 degrees and 360? So, this is how you learn how to do this kind of question. Step 1, find theta r, the reference angle. 2, decide which quadrants have solutions. 3, use quadrant rules. To find theta. And there'll probably be more than one. So in the other question, there was only one possible value for theta because I said that the coordinates of the terminal point were -2, -3. But this one's just saying, hey, tan theta is 3/4. Sorry, not 3/4, the opposite actually, the reciprocal, -4/3. Okay? So that means we need to kind of draw out our little guy here. And we know that the reference angle is going to be in quadrant 1, theta r. But our solutions are going to be where tan is negative. Where's tan negative? We know that tan is negative in quadrant 4. So here's one value for theta. We also know that tan is negative in quadrant, oh, I can use blue instead. We also know that tan is negative in quadrant 2. So this very well could be theta as well. So first things first, what we want to do is find the reference angle. The way that I would do that is I would say theta r equals tan, the inverse tan of 4/3. So what I've done is I've taken away the negatives and just given it a positive value. What that's going to do is your calculator, since it's dumb and doesn't take into consideration that, hey, it could also be in quadrant 3 because tan is positive there too. It just gives us quadrant 1. And again, it is negative here, but we just want to figure out what the reference angle is. And if we put the positive version of that in the 4/3, we know that we're going to get our solution in first quadrant. So when I do that, I realize that my reference angle is 53 degrees. All right, so we've done that. We've also decided which quadrants have solutions. Okay, so we use quadrant rules to find theta. So in quadrant 2, we have 180 minus the reference angle, which will be 143 degrees. In quadrant 4, we have 360 minus the reference angle will give us this section here. So 360 minus 53, we get 307 degrees. That's that.